Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's wireframes and how to make a team feature of your company teammates on WordPress. This is a video series taking a look at Stackable's wireframes in order to help us make brilliant web pages. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page, and there's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged in on your website, you'll have the Stop toolbar, hover over New, and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to Pages and click on Add New Page. Once we're here, let's add a title to keep things organized. Okay, and let's add the wireframe itself. Click on this blue button called the Block Inserter, top left-hand corner, and under Stackable, let's scroll down and find Design Library. Let's drag and drop that into our workspace. Let's close the block insert to give ourselves some more room to work with, and let's click on Open Design Library. Now it may open on a different tab here, but let's navigate to wireframes, and it's a good thing these are all categorized, organized according to use. And if you click on Team, we have different options for a team showcase. So this one has social media links, so this one. This one puts their portraits with a little profile. It gives them more description for their accomplishments. This one only has their pictures. And then this one is just a grid, and we can describe everybody here. So let's go ahead and use this one. And here we go. So let's start customizing it. And all you have to do is just click on the different items. You see here, this is a heading, this is a subtitle, this is text. And then these are images with placeholders, so we'll replace those one by one. So website. And then if we wanted to change our typography here, just click on Font Family and just choose, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Let's make it a bit bigger. And we can type in right, and we don't have to put in the descriptions. These are all placeholders. And if we wanted to put the portraits of our team members, let's just select image, and we'll have them in our library. Just to scroll down, real simple, and we have pictures of people over here. Click on that. We'll use this one. Scroll down a bit more. And we'll use this next one. We'll use Leon over here. Next is this person. And last but not least, this one. So if you wanted to showcase your team members, we'll use this one. Some people don't like having their faces shown. If you wanted to showcase your team members or a group of people, or you don't actually have to use this for team members exactly, but you wanted to showcase the people that make your company tick, you can simply drop in their portraits here, give them a title and description, and off we go. So let's go ahead and click on Publish, and we can use this wireframe anywhere on the website, on our About Us, Contact Us page. And it's real simple. So let's wait for that to save, and let's view it on our live site. All right, with that done, let's click on View Page. And you can see it is real simple. We just had to fill in the blanks, put in the portraits of our team members, and off we are. And it looks very professional, even without messing with it too much. And that's the beauty of using wireframes in WordPress. And we have to thank Stackable for making this really cool and easy one to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.